Welcome back to where we explore the latest in the world of motorcycles. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2026 Honda CMX850 Rebel, a bike that promises to redefine the cruiser segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, this detailed review will give you all the insights you need. The Honda CMX850 Rebel is the latest addition to Honda's Rebel series, following the success of the CMX500 and CMX1100 models. With the 2026 iteration, Honda aims to blend performance, comfort, and style, catering to a diverse range of riders. Let's break down what makes the CMX850 Rebel stand out. At the heart of the CMX850 Rebel lies an 850 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This powertrain delivers a balanced mix of torque and horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration and cruising capabilities. The engine's design emphasizes low-end torque, making it ideal for city commuting and highway rides. The power delivery is refined, thanks to Honda's advanced fuel injection system. This ensures consistent performance across various riding conditions. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, offering precise gear shifts and enhancing the overall riding experience. The CMX850 Rebel features a steel diamond frame, providing a solid foundation for the bike. This construction ensures durability and stability, especially during high-speed maneuvers. For suspension, the front employs 41mm telescopic forks, while the rear is equipped with twin shock absorbers. This setup offers a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections on the road. The suspension's adjustability allows riders to fine-tune the setup according to their preferences and riding conditions. Safety is paramount, and the CMX850 Rebel doesn't disappoint. The bike is equipped with dual-channel ABS, ensuring optimal braking performance in various conditions. The front and rear disc brakes provide strong stopping power, giving riders confidence during sudden stops or emergency situations. Honda has always been known for its attention to detail, and the CMX850 Rebel is no exception. The bike boasts a minimalist design, with clean lines and a sleek profile. The 690mm seat height ensures that riders of varying statures can comfortably plant their feet on the ground. The handlebars are positioned to offer a relaxed riding posture, reducing strain during long rides. Additionally, the footpeg placement allows for natural leg positioning, enhancing comfort and control. The 2026 CMX850 Rebel comes equipped with modern technology to enhance the riding experience. A 5-inch TFT display provides clear visibility of essential information, even under direct sunlight. This display is customizable, allowing riders to choose the layout that suits them best. Connectivity is another highlight. The bike supports smartphone integration, enabling features like navigation, music control, and hands-free calls. This ensures that riders stay connected without taking their hands off the handlebars. Honda understands that every rider has unique preferences. The CMX850 Rebel offers a range of accessories to personalize the bike. From different seat options to handlebar styles, riders can tailor the bike to their liking. Additionally, Honda offers various color schemes, ensuring that the bike matches the rider's personality. As of now, the 2026 Honda CMX850 Rebel is expected to be available in select markets. Pricing may vary depending on the region and any additional accessories chosen. It's advisable to check with local Honda dealerships for the most accurate and up-to-date information. In the cruiser segment, the CMX850 Rebel faces competition from models like the Yamaha Bolt and the Harley-Davidson Iron 883. While the Bolt offers a similar engine capacity, the CMX850 Rebel's refined suspension and braking systems give it an edge in terms of ride quality. The Harley-Davidson Iron 883 is known for its iconic design, but the CMX850 Rebel's modern features and technology make it a compelling choice for tech-savvy riders. The 2026 Honda CMX850 Rebel is a testament to Honda's commitment to innovation and rider satisfaction. With its blend of performance, comfort, and modern features, it stands out in the cruiser segment. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a weekend cruiser, the CMX850 Rebel is worth considering. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest in the motorcycle world. Until next time, Ride safe and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. For more content like this, check out our other videos and follow us on our social media platforms. Ride safe and see you in the next video.